I hope you're staying safe and warm in this record-breaking winter storm. I'm Nathan with Haefer Homes, and here's your weekly market update for Lynchburg, Virginia, and the surrounding areas while I'm taking my boys sledding. The market froze a bit this week, but I'll be sharing with you what I think we'll see in the spring market. Average national interest rates were iced over these last 2 weeks. The 15-year conventional remains the best financing option at 5.5%. The 30-year is sitting at 6.1%, which is down significantly from last week. FHA also dropped this week to 5.8%, and VA is slightly down as well, also 5.8%. Average rent in the third quarter was $1,633 per month. At today's 15-year rate, the 30-year rate, that buys you about a $216,800 home. Lucky for renters, there are currently 135 homes that they could buy and have a cheaper payment than the average rent fee. We expected the median home price to dip further. However, the 90-day median home price in our area rose to $309,900. That's up 6.8% year over year. Last year, the median home price was $16,150 cheaper. That's why waiting to buy doesn't work. 64 homes came on the market this week. I didn't do a video last week, so I'll let you know that we had 103 pop up then, which gave brave buyers with four-wheel or all-wheel drive the advantage. The hottest sale to bear the weather goes to a listing by Teresa Grant, who was actually the first Keller Williams agent I met a long time ago. This stunning home in Bedford sold for $1,060,000 in 226 days. You might think that sounds like a long time, but they received 96% of their asking price, which is pretty substantial. Not everybody enjoyed that. There were 14 price cuts this week, but 7 sellers increased their listing price. 59 homes sold this week, which means as of date of this recording, an average of 6 homes sold every day in January 2026. Average days to contract went up as expected and now sits at 46 days. Half of the homes sold closed in under 21 days. Active listings fell 8.3% to 717 homes, but look, we need to be real here. Most sellers are waiting for their driveways and yards to be free from icy liabilities, and many are preparing for this the spring market now. Currently, we're in a light seller's market, and if rates continue their downward trend, we may very well re-enter a heavy seller's market later this year. The $200,000 price band and the $300,000 price band are tied, each holding 26% of the current market. Conventional mortgages increased and now make up 50% of all purchased homes. In second place are cash buyers and at 23%. Cash buyers are at 23%. FHA and USDA together make up 17%, and VA loans for veterans account for 10%. Now, here's what the report numbers are not telling you. We're expecting a very hot spring market. We have more listings preparing and more buyers saving, and the interest rates are projected to continue their downward trajectory. So based on all that data, I expect local homes to show a strong rate of appreciation for 2026. Until next week, I'm Nathan Haefer, and this was your weekly market update. Share it with a friend who could really use these weekly updates to help with their next move. Have a safe week, and remember to call me at 434-944-6982 when you're ready to live, dream, own.